Hello everyone, this is Altaf and today I will teach you turtle in Python. Turtle reminds us one childhood story. Do you know what is it? Yeah, the story of rabbit and turtle. And do you remember what was the moral story of that? Yeah, slow and steady wins the race. That's why we are learning about turtle, not rabbit, because rabbit is loser. So get to the point, guys. Let me tell you about turtle. Turtle is an inbuilt module in Python. Do you know what is module? Let me tell you an example. As a module, if I will give you a pen and copy and I will tell you draw, you can draw anything as your wish. You can draw Burj Khalifa or you can draw Mia Khalifa. It's up to you. Do you understand? So get to the point. Turtle is a Python feature like drawing board, which lets us command a turtle to draw all over it. We can use function like turtle forward, turtle backward, turtle right, turtle left, etc. By using this method, forward it means moves the turtle forward, okay, and backward means moves the turtle backward, okay, and right means turn the turtle clockwise, and left it means turn the turtle anti-clockwise. In this lesson I will teach you these four methods. So let's see guys how it's work. See, first of all, we have to import turtle to specify that we are using turtle module here. Okay, and at last we are done. Turtle dot done. It means it's finished. Okay, so let's see. For example, if I want to write turtle, want to I want to write code in line. Okay, so first of all we have to create a variable, like for example line equal to turtle dot turtle, guys. This is I have created variable. Okay, then we can use methods like forward method, and then we add amount, how much amount you want forward, so 100. Okay, and then save it as line program dot py. Yeah, and then run function 5. Yeah, see, it's 100, it's come forward. Okay, and if I increase here, for example if I write 200 and save it and then run it, yeah, see, it goes 200. And then use left method, for example line dot left we can turn in angle. Okay, for example I want to turn 90-degree. Okay, then see what happened. See, this turtle is first was this direction but is turn in this direction. Okay, left means anti-clockwise, 90-degree he turn, and then I want to forward, then line dot forward 300 and then save it and see what happened. Yeah, see, first is goes 200, then turn 90-degree anti-clockwise, and then it goes 300 and see backward line backward. I wanna 500. Okay, save it and see what happened. See, it's came backward. Okay, like that you can use it. If I wanna use right, then just right 60-degree I want. Okay, it will turn. Okay, then I wanna after turn right 60-degree, then I want forward 300. Okay, you can take whatever you want, then save it and then see. Yeah, like that you can use it, guys. Turtle. Okay, so here I have written a star, how to make a star by using turtle. See, this is the output. Okay, and here one thing I have to tell you is this is range. Okay, for I in range 10. Okay, it means the pen will round 10 times. Okay, see how. For example, if I set here 1, okay, and save it and then run it. Yes, only one time he goes. Okay, when I will set here 2 and then see what happen. It will write only 2 line. Okay, it's 2. If I run here 3, it will go 1, 2 and 3. Okay, do you understand what is range here? Yeah, here a square program. Okay, see, it's make a square. You can try it on your PC, guys. Okay, that's it for today. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this.